Hello, this is a tutorial for my Lego puzzle box red or black. So part 1, because this is the red part. So 8 by 6, you take two 1 by 2s and a 1 by 2 flat here. Let me just check, yeah. One from here and 3 from the left side. Take them to 1 by 2s bricks, put that behind it, 1 by 2 brick with a 1 by 1 piece on. Piece is flat, brick is full height, whips. For I say that for easily. So 1 by 2 piece and a 1 by 1 here, 3 by 1 over here. Here's the key will fit. Then 2 by 4s bricks. Then 2 by 2s smooth. Place it on top there. Take 2 3 by 2 bricks, place them there. 2 by 2 bricks, place them here. And then 2 4 by 2s bricks and place them there. You can take a 2 by 2 piece there on top of that. And then now we take a 2 by 2 brick with a smooth piece on here. And then we take 2 by 2 smooth here, like this. And now we build this. Let me just fix it. Take a 4 by 2 and then a 1 by 4 and a 1 by 4 smooth. Place them on top here. 1 by 2 and a 1 by 2 smooth on top, right there. Then you take 1 by 1 here. Then you take a 3 by 1 on top of here. 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 smooth. 1 by 2 smooth over these two. So it will look something like this and fit something like this. So, sorry my English. Then a 2 by 1 here, and then a 4 by 1 piece here, and then we take 4 by 1 there, then 3 by 1 here, 2 by 1 here. Yes, kind of move the pieces on top there. Hope you understand. Under here, place a 2 by 2 here. That's part 1. Watch part 2, please. Thank you. Hello, this is the tutorial for my Lego puzzle box red or black, part 2. So start with putting 6 by 1 smooth pieces here. So you get something like that. And a 6 by 2 flat piece. And 1 by 2 smooth, 1 by 2 smooth. Let's do like this. 1 by 2 with a 1 by 1 smooth here. 1 by 2 with a 2 by 1 smooth here. And now 1 by 1 with a 1 by 1 smooth. And a 2 by 2 with a 2 by 2 smooth piece here. Then build a wall which will be double bricked hay, 2 bricks and hay. Take us 2 6 by 4 6 by 2s and put them on or something like that. Yes, for building. Yeah, and now take a 2 by 1 here, and we take this will be here. So we take a 4 by 1 here with a 2 by 1 smooth here. Then 4 by 2 and 1 by 2 maybe a brick, and yes, a smooth flat pieces on top here. You can see here. I hope I can see. Then you put and take a 4 by 6 by 2. Then you put pieces like this. This is 1 by 1. This is 2 1 by 1 studs. It will be like that. And then 1 by 1 here. Put it like this. Okay. And on top, and then you rotate it like that. Put a smooth piece here, and then just put it on here. Wait a minute. That piece will go here. I hope so. Yes, technique pro. I think, yeah, we'll put that here, and I think we've done something wrong. Yeah, I think we'll take away this wall, and we'll put, it will be a 1 by 2 and a 4 by 2, and put it like that, so you can take a 3 by 2 and put it like that. This wall which we put in here will be later, we'll use later. Now after that you can put this on. Then you fill with 4 by 1 and a 2 by 1 here, and a circle. And then you put this wall, or yeah. And for a price of 4 by 2, 4 by 1, and a 2 by 1 smooth, and a price. I use money. Now 2 by 1, 3 by 1, and a smooth piece on top, like that. And then you just put flat pieces or flat piece like roof for roof. No, we build the roof wrong. So that can be clear, but for better, put it like that and this like that. So or however you want.